Rakesh Sharma, India's first cosmonaut, had always been fascinated by the sky. Growing up in a modest neighborhood in Patiala, Punjab, he would spend hours lying on the terrace, gazing at the stars and imagining what lay beyond. While other children played cricket or chased kites, Rakesh dreamt of orbiting the Earth, of seeing humanity from a perspective few had ever witnessed. That dream, once distant and fragile, became the force that shaped his life. In the early 1970s, the Indian Air Force recognized Rakesh's exceptional skill as a test pilot. He was known not just for his precision in the air, but for his unshakable calm under pressure. The Soviet Union, planning a collaborative space mission under the Intercosmos program, was searching for international candidates. When India nominated Rakesh Sharma, the news electrified the nation. Headlines blared his name, yet the young pilot remained humble, treating it as another step in his lifelong pursuit of excellence. Training for spaceflight was unlike anything Rakesh had ever experienced. He left the familiar skies of India for the icy expanses of Star City, near Moscow. There, he faced months of grueling physical and mental preparation, zero-gravity simulations, emergency escape procedures, and long periods in isolation tested not only his body, but his spirit. The instructors pushed him relentlessly, aware that a single mistake in orbit could cost a life. Yet, Rakesh thrived under pressure. On April 2, 1984, Rakesh Sharma stepped into the spacecraft Soyuz T-11, alongside cosmonauts Yuri Malyshev and Gennady Strekalov. As the engines roared to life and the shuttle lifted off, the ground seemed to fall away beneath him. He felt an indescribable mixture of fear, excitement, and profound awe. The world below shrank into a patchwork of blues, greens, and whites, and the curve of the Earth revealed the delicate fragility of life. During the 8 days aboard the Salyut 7 space station, Rakesh's role was multifaceted. He conducted scientific experiments, tested new equipment, and relayed data back to mission control. Every day was meticulously scheduled, yet he found time to look out the small circular window and contemplate the planet below. Rakesh's most famous moment came when Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi called him from mission control. She asked how India looked from space. Without hesitation, Rakesh smiled and replied, "Saare Jahan Se Achha," invoking the patriotic song that had inspired generations of Indians. Returning to Earth, Rakesh felt the jolt of gravity, the rush of wind, and the roar of the parachute slowing the capsule.